Good morning, good morning. And we were hustling. I mean, I don't think there was really any time to have been vlogging before this moment because whew, um, we were trying to finish finalizing packing, getting dressed, figuring out the outfit, checking the weather, checking the time, trying to make sure I don't miss the bus to get to the bus. And I had to take two buses to get to the official bus, Peter Pan. Shout out to Justin, thank you very much. We had to sacrifice remembering to pick up, I think, a jacket or a puffer. So we had to go inside the train station just to keep warm. And then I was like, I probably should. We had some time. We had it was about 8 o'clock and the bus was coming 8:25. So I was like, okay, great. We have some time. Let's go inside, get warm. And then when I said, let me check the bus status. And then I saw it's 8:10. And the stop was saying that the bus already left, and I was like, do not do me that. I was like, do not do me that. But it was just like a slight glitch in the system. The bus was just here parked waiting for people to board before it leaves. So yeah, we are officially on our way to Maryland. Visited my uncle and aunt over there for a few days. I didn't have breakfast, so I actually stopped off at Dunkin' and I got a sausage and egg croissant. I can share what it looks like really quick. It's very cheesy, so it was kind of stuck on the paper, but here it is. One, let's taste it. Grace before meals, bless us, O Lord. These thy gifts which you're about to receive from thy bounty to Christ our Lord. Amen. It tastes like what you would consider to get from artificial sausage, probably, and not real egg, maybe. But good. So it's only going to sustain us for the ride. So yes. So hope you're enjoying this so far. Come along with me for the journey. And yeah, I'm gonna take in the view, the scenery, and have my breakfast. Now heading into Baltimore, Maryland. I think in Baltimore. Here is hi. It's very puffy today. My aunt just called me to see where I am. The lighting. Oh my gosh, the sun is. Ooh, Jelani. Yeah. In a harbor side. I got to see plenty planes taking off today, and just seeing all the interchanges and the roads, how all the different bridges and how they even figure out the mechanics and the design of this place is honestly amazing. It's been so long, honestly, since my last time.
Hot. Yesterday we were just lost yet last Sunday, so we out of the playoffs. It's a bit of a letdown for everybody, but
Yes, I remember. Yeah, and there's a Hooters somewhere around here. Right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm,
I think
yes.
Hooters closed down though. Those are the huge big buildings. It's kind of busy. So we have our skating ring over there. You can see the man I skated.
That is nice.
This is yeah. And being so close to DC, then of this great thing. My friend used to tell me about all the time. Pendry, that's the name of it.
That's always the name? I feel like the name changed. Okay.
Yeah, this is
There it is. Yes. My favorite strawberries are here. Caribbean food. Oh, wow, 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 wow. The vlog is back, and I am currently on an aisle looking for little home decor. From just coming for one thing. One thing. From just coming for one thing. We are currently at the gym. Hope you're hearing me. It is Monday morning, and today we're doing chest and shoulders. My aunt dropped me off, and well, if there's one thing about me, I will figure out how to get around and get home without having somebody drive me. So the bus stop is right outside. Just about 5 minute walk from Planet Fitness to the corner. And then it's about to take me about half an hour to get home. So yeah, it's been a good workout so far. So far I've done barbell raises, and then now I'm doing incline chest press machine. So yeah. So I'm on the Baltimore bus. It doesn't look any different to ours. I mean, different businesses. I'm just gonna check the phone to make sure the pass me now. Don't mind the hair, okay? Don't mind the hair. The bus driver, I guess he clearly didn't like me. I don't know if he didn't like me or what. But he passed my whole stop straight. I rang the bell on time, early. And he was just like, nope. And he dropped me right into the next one. So I'm walking now. Thankfully it's not too cold here. I think where my gym was as well, the breeze was just really blowing, and I was like on the street. Like one tourist. Wow, I'm seeing traffic. So now it's about 10-minute walk to my aunt's place. So we're just doing that. Responding to messages, checking my phone, because when I go back inside, I'm gonna dive into some editing. There's some other projects I'm doing. I have a lot of things to edit actually. I have a list. Ooh. Podcasts, school stuff. I have to edit this, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So plus I have a book to read. All this content creating, I actually need to stop and read something. So to kind of expand the mind, so that's pretty much where I'm at right now. So yeah. Okay, so today we are in Giant's grocery store and looking for Tostitos dip for Auntie Denise to try. Oh, okay, we passed it. Look at here. Got it. Tostitos creamy spinach dip. I'm actually getting more comfortable recording in public, so it's very intriguing doing it. Like I'm not too concerned or worried about being on camera in public or like talking on the phone. I just hope people don't think I'm recording them. I don't hold the phone out here though. No,
From boy, chocolate what?
that is not that. Massy stores does not have libbies.
Libby's big rock ass. Your mother got Libby's.
Libbies, okay. Granny,
What do you want Libby's? And she just smiled.
libbies.
That's what we have in here, boy. So look and see. So that next time, like, you know, I used to so that.
The size of this popcorn, huh? Like $6 for that. I mean, crazy. Stuff for you. This tonic water for when you're drinking. Canada Dry, Polar. I never saw all these. Interesting. And the price is much cheaper than here, like back home though, which is like fairly cool. I know you like how that bottle looks. Look at the design on that bottle. Cappy spreads. Okay, we're gonna get some more ice cream. I see that ice cream when I finish tonight, so no. That other one you got me, I feel like it's not gonna make it.
I see one woman reason though.
Okay, we got this stuff. What's your favorite place? Walmart. I thought you could see me. Watching a movie now after helping my aunt, and I got a sandwich from Sonic because they didn't really have much like food for dinner because we're making stuff tomorrow. My neighbor trying to bulk up, so yeah, Sonic chicken sandwich. I got buy one get one. Yes, sir. It's Tuesday. We are up, and it is 7:21, and aunt is going to work. Uncle already left. We are at Planet Fitness today. Legs. Now, I have done quite a bit already. I actually dived into the workout as soon as I came in, so I didn't really catch everything that I was doing. How many machines did I do? There's only those two. So after the Stairmaster, I went to like extensions one time. Now I did the like the abductors and adductors. Every time I look over there, it's somebody on it. And then I'm gonna see if I can go to the hack because I should have gone to that earlier. But I realized this section of like the machines is like very like low frequency, as in most people that I realize on this side of like Baltimore, Maryland vibe, they love a treadmill and a elliptical and a Stairmaster. So the weights and stuff and the lat pull downs and the pectoral flies and all of that, very little bit of people. I should probably show you and stop talking. I'm now about to wrap up my workout and I know where I'm going. I know where I'm going to end it. I know where I'm going to end it. That's my gym all the way over there. So waiting for the bus here now. And it'll take me about 40-minute walk from home. We had a good day. It's a good workout, you know me. I like to push myself, but I was like, Jelani, you did an hour. You did a lot. I didn't do hack squats because I was looking at the time and I was like, I didn't get a chance to eat breakfast this morning too because I didn't know what breakfast would have been. So I was like, let me don't overdo it. And I started to, feel a little lightheaded. So I was like, and as you can see, I'm burping, so let me go home and do that, eat, shower, and dive back into some reading and editing. Let me see my lip. Yeah. Thankfully, today is not so cold, and if hair is warm, because hair was cold yesterday, I think it's gonna be an easier walk home than yesterday. So, yeah. St. Agnes Lane and Addington Road. So it's a little different. Like this angle, I just want to hold it up here, but I feel it's shy. It's a little different. Like this is a good angle to hold it. It's a little different to accept that there's like something called a shop. If you buy a ticket, if you want it, it's like one way it's just $2. My app gave it discount, so just have to put the money on the machine. So you can just like tap your bank card on it. So, but she was very helpful. The guy yesterday. St. Agnes Lane and Magefield Road. And it depends on where you go. Like some this area, the bus runs more frequently. Other areas, not so much. So like this area, I'm not so basically that's like all the houses are the same. St. Agnes Lane between.
They're running time like you can't reflected. I mean, they really
learn the route. And what I mean by you gotta learn the traffic lights to get through.
All right, thank you so much.
Welcome aboard the MTA.
Yeah, she was great. That's perfect. I have everything: phone, gloves, headphones, key. All right. Alrighty, so we are now leaving Maryland, Baltimore, and a little bit of a headache. Eyes kind of hurting. So I may not be recording too much of this portion of the trip. Maybe kind of be a little quiet in my own zone. I'm trying to finish reading "See No Stranger" by Valerie Kaur. So, and of course my big bottle of Evian water. So happy with my book, my bottle, and my bladder. On this 2-hour ride. So I'm trying to read, and this phone behind me, or this person behind me, playing the video loud, like they don't have headphones. Oh my gosh.